everyone, I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to be trying on some of Walmart's new pieces for the fall into winter season. I have a lot of things to get to, so let's get into it. All of the pieces will also be listed down in the description. Just look for the corresponding number that you see on the screen. I will also have all the information that you might need in lieu of having to sound repetitive with each and every piece. All right, so let's start with what I have on. This is by the brand Free Assembly. I'm in love with this top. It is so lightweight, so comfortable, but I really like the structure in it. My body type is definitely like inverted triangle. I have very broad shoulders, so I feel like this kind of camouflages my shoulders. Is it my shoulders? Is it the ruffle? You don't know. But I think it's so great, so dainty. I think it's just a really awesome top that you can wear to the office. And I love a good peplum style top. I feel like it really gives that like hourglass figure, whether you have one or not. It kind of just makes it for you. I think it's very flattering. I think it'll be flattering on all kinds of body types, and this is definitely a keeper. All right, so let's talk about these jeans. These jeans are by the brand Free Assembly also, and these are hands down the best work office jean I have ever had, ever tried on. They are perfect to wear to the office. So one of the reasons why I think these jeans are so perfect for the office is there's no front pocket. They don't have like the typical front pockets of casual jeans. They just have this little pocket right here that kind of makes them look like slack jeans, jean slacks. And the back placement on the pockets is really nice also. It's got a little flare to it, so you could wear them with heels or with some booties. And I am in love with them. I wear them at least once a week to work. Okay, can we please talk about this next top? It is by the brand Free Assembly. It is a knit kind of crocheted material tank top that has this really stunning peplum bottom to it. I think this is such a flattering top, a great staple in your wardrobe for this fall. You could use it as a layering piece with, you know, slacks, jeans. You could wear this with skirts, like a little pencil skirt. Oh my goodness, y'all, this is so nice. It is so soft, so lightweight. I am seriously obsessed with this top. It comes in a couple different colors. I think this like deep cream color is just so beautiful for fall. I love the extra little details that they put at the bottom right here. I feel like this looks like a very high-end piece that you would be paying like $100 for. And you know what? It's at Walmart. So this next piece is also by the brand Free Assembly. Not all these pieces are by the brand Free Assembly, but they do have some nice pieces this fall. Now, somehow I ordered this in a size small, and I am typically a size medium. So I would say this definitely fits true to size. I think I would have liked it in a medium versus a small because it would have given me a little bit of length. It'll definitely keep you warm, but it's not like a really thick knit to it. It has that kind of mock turtleneck. Looks so pretty with like a little necklace. I love this. This is definitely one I'm gonna keep, but I am, you know, obviously gonna get it in my true size medium. So this next top is a bodysuit. It is by the brand No Boundaries. They are juniors brand, so generally I recommend sizing up one size to get your true size in a regular women's brand. And this is their ribbed mock turtleneck bodysuit. This is so soft, y'all. I got mine in this kind of, it's not like a true white, it's definitely like kind of like a creamier white, but like a light creamier white. I think that it does fit true to size. It is a little tight on me, but y'all, I'm like broad. I have broad shoulders, broad ribs. Like I'm a broad girl. Get it? I'm a broad. It is a, I don't know what you would consider this. It's kind of like a thong, but it's kind of not. It's, I guess you would say it's like half thong, and it only has one set of snaps, so it's not adjustable, but I find that it fit just fine for me. I think this is, again, going to be a great staple in your wardrobe this fall, a great layering piece that you can wear in so many different ways. It does come in multiple colors. I do believe the black was sold out when I ordered this, but if you're interested in getting that color, just check for restocks, because I absolutely know that they're going to restock these. And this was like, hold on, let me see here. This is $10.98, y'all. Like, where are you gonna find a good quality top like this for $10.98? Only at Walmart. So I have that top paired with these faux leather joggers by the brand Sofia Vergara. These pants are such good quality, y'all. They are lined with this really nice kind of velvety material, so it's not gonna stick to you. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I did get hot and sweaty in these, but you know, I'm doing this, there's lights, it's hot in here, like I was sweating everywhere, but they are definitely going to keep you warm if that is what you are needing. Now, I did get this in my true size medium, and I think that they were a little big. So if you're kind of in between sizes, I would definitely say size down, or maybe see if you can purchase these inside the store so you can try them on, or maybe purchase both sides and return the one that doesn't fit. But I love these. I think these are going to be so cool for the office. The pockets on the back are faux, and the back of the pants is a spandex, so they do have a good bit of stretch to them, while the front is not. So I think it just looks really, really chic. It has the same little spandex at the bottom. I kind of had them pulled up just a little bit to kind of give it that more jogger look. These also come in a couple different colors. This color and like a fawny color, which I think is going to be really beautiful for fall as well. And the faux leather on them is just incredibly, incredibly soft. We're about halfway through this video, so if you have found any value from this video or any enjoyment, or just want to be really cool, I would really appreciate it if you'd hit that like button. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet and like what you see here, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and join this little YouTube family. I create beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos that are designed to help you save your money, your time, and your peace of mind. Now let's get back to the video. So these next two dresses are by the brand Free Assembly, and y'all, these are on sale for $7 hairs. So you better run, go to the description right now, hit that link, go to cart, because these dresses are absolutely amazing. These will be awesome transitioning you from from summer into fall. I love the little knot detail right there, and I'm wearing a bra and a tank top underneath this, and you cannot see it. They are made with really, really good quality. It's a nice, thick, substantial material. You're not going to be able to see any dimples or anything that you're trying to hide. This is going to cover it. And again, it's $7. So these two colors were in stock the last time I checked, and I think it's a steal. It's an absolute steal for these dresses. So this next top actually came on accident. It is not what I ordered. This is what I actually ordered, but I was actually pleasantly surprised when I put this on as to how much I really liked this shirt. It is by the brand No Boundaries. I actually got it in a size 7-9, which usually I'm up one more size, but I think it fit really good. It does have that like really trendy ruched detail on this side, and I thought it looked so cute with these jeans by the brand Signature by Levi. These jeans are my hands down favorite skinny jeans of all time. Now these jeans are what I call ultra skinny jeans. Like I literally have to like them on over my ankles, but I just love them. They're so good to wear under like knee boots or riding boots, or even like booties, because you don't have to worry about stuffing them down inside those boots or like folding them over. Like they are just to your legs, look so good. Love the pocket placement, definitely true to size. So if you are in need of a good skinny jean this season, definitely check out these jeans. Now this last piece is also going to be a huge staple in your wardrobe this fall. I was so excited to see that Time and True brought these back this year because y'all, this is my cardigan from last year. I have worn this thing a ton, washed and dried it so many times, and it literally still looks brand new. Now this is really made to be oversized. I got this in a size small, and as you can see, it is still really big on me, but I love this sweater. It is so nice, so soft, so cozy, and I just love to bring this with me to work and like put it on the back of my chair so that way when I get cold I'll just throw it over me. Such a versatile piece that is going to go with so many different outfits. Absolutely love this cardigan. You have to check them out. So make sure to tell me what you think down in the comment section. I love to hear your feedback and get to know you better. Getting to know you is absolutely the best part of this whole entire thing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, again, I would love it if you would join this little YouTube family. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. Well, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!